Okay, so today we're going to talk about shape. Shapes come in two different ways. They come in inorganic or geometric. We'll call it geometric. And they come in organic. Geometric or inorganic shapes would be a circle or a triangle or a square. Organic shapes might be a cloud or a leaf. Okay? So, I want you to come up with more organic and inorganic shapes. Okay? Maybe you'll have a trapezoid or a kind of a flower shape, or maybe you'll have a star. Okay? Or let's see, what else could you do for organic shapes? Okay? Just anything that's not geometric. Okay? Then what you're going to do, just like you did with your line, is you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half, hot dog. Okay? Then you're going to take it again and fold it in thirds, here and here. Okay? Then you're going to have 6 different boxes, right? And in those boxes, what you're going to do, and you can go ahead and cordon them off like that, okay? In those boxes, you're going to make you're going to put together different shapes. Organic, inorganic, okay? This one, I used all geometric shapes, okay? They're all geometric, okay? This one, maybe I'll use, organic shapes, okay? And one of the keys to doing this is you want to make sure that you have different sizes, and to make it interesting, different sizes, different shapes to put together to make these things interesting, okay? So maybe I'll start like this, and maybe I'll have some more over here, and I want some bigger ones and some smaller ones, and maybe I'll have some of them overlap. Maybe they can even go off the page, because that makes for an interesting effect with your eye when it goes off the page. It gives your eye something to do. It's like the reason you don't want to put something in the middle of a piece of paper like this. For instance, if I have a piece of paper like this and I draw an apple right in the middle of my paper, there's no place for my eye to go, is there? It's just, this is what your kindergarten sister would draw, okay? You don't want to put it right in the middle of the paper. You want things off-centered, okay? And we'll talk about that again. But when you have this, when you have these things having nice composition, and we'll talk about composition, but when you have nice composition and bigger, smaller, it makes for a much more interesting piece of work, okay? Now, you can do different shapes of this if you want. I'm just giving you some ideas, okay? But you come up with the different shapes and make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks, okay? And they can all be different. Like maybe you want to put, some circles here, like this, and then some smaller ones inside. Oh, and maybe even some smaller ones through here next to them. And then maybe you want, I don't know, maybe something organic in here as well. Okay? Or, all right? So you can kind of play around with that. All right? That's it.